My 6-year-old son woke up at midnight daily because he broke a sprinkler outside his window and did not tell me about it. In the middle of the night, the sprinklers would come on, and the pressure in them is no joke. With the riser broken off, water was shooting up all the way to the soffit, making a really loud racket. Unfortunately for me, it broke off right at the threads. This would be pretty easy to take out with an extraction tool, which, of course, I did not have. Optimally, the broken black piece needs to come out without damaging the white pipe in the process. Otherwise, this small task would become a big task real quick. I tried using a whole bunch of different tools from my tool bag to do this job carefully, and even tried using some tools from the kitchen. Because the broken piece was screwed in there really tight, most of my attempts ended in me either chipping off pieces of the pipe or bending the utensil I was using. I'm sure there's many other ways to do this, but what ended up working for me was ultimately a butter knife. If it has a good serrated edge, that's even better. I lightly hammered the knife into the broken pipe until it was in there securely. Then, in order not to bend it, I used an adjustable crescent wrench to turn the knife right at the base. I found that slightly shaking the wrench as I turned it helped with dislodging the pipe. After you get it started, taking it out the rest of the way is a walk in the park. I couldn't fix the broken riser, so it got replaced with another one, and I'm happy to report that our nights are peaceful once again. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, here's some fun tool comics for you.